Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price predictions. This is an intraday analysis, and of course looking at this very sudden pump towards the upside on the 1 hour chart, signaling the high volatility of the market, of course due today as well to the news where we have the most important decision or news for the interest rate, guys. So be careful today. It's gonna also be very volatile. I did not mention this in the daily, but now yes, I just realized that today is the interest rate decision, which is a very volatile news, the most interesting one. So if we're gonna see a cut rate today from 5 to 4.75, that might be a catalyst as well for the market, and yeah, it can be a good and it can be a bad. I never trust, of course, the news, even if it is good or bad. I never trade it, guys. So therefore, be careful with it. The market might be very volatile. Now, if we look at this at this 1 hour chart here, we can see that we are still bearish, but I mean, nobody knows in this market, volatile market. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. I mean, it's a finished impulse almost towards the downside. And if this is your wave A, B, and C, however, we have touched the 0.886, which is not a good signal of continuation, yeah, towards the up as a downside. Because of course, if you touch the 886, you want to take the high again. However, this can be, of course, at least an A, B, and a C as a zigzag to be finished as 5 waves down, 3 waves up, and then 5 waves down. However, be careful, guys, again, with the volatility of the market. Yeah, I mean, here we can clearly see as well as 1, 2, 3. Okay, if this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, on the 1 hour chart, it looks like much more like a diagonal. But this is still possible, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes, as an impulse, as diagonal, or it can be as a zigzag as well. However, in both case scenario, if you are 3 waves down, 3 waves up, you want to see 5 waves down. If you are also a diagonal, you're in a zigzag as well, 5 waves down, 3 waves up, and 5 waves down. Now, of course, everything can still be changed, guys. Don't forget that this is also impulsive here, right? It looks like 5 waves, a little bit on the 15-minute chart. It could be, yeah, a 1, 2, 3 rather than extended wave C. Everything is possible, okay? But be careful with it, guys. The problem now is the news, right? It's not the count of Elliott waves. The news might be very volatile today because also, of course, many traders try to get out with their trades already before the news because, of course, it might affect it. So be careful with it as well. Yeah, so these are the updates. And nothing has changed, to be honest, but it's just the volatility, just going up and up. Yeah, and then now moving down. I don't know if it's gonna invalidate or get the high already and then moving down again. Yeah, because I cannot call this anyway an impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your wave 4 has interfered, right? And getting the high from now, it means this is an expanding diagonal directly. If we get a high, there is no other option. I cannot call even, okay, it might extend into contracting diagonal, but it's gonna be like just boring. Yeah, like getting high, down, high, down, high, down. Yeah, so, and then finishing there and then continue our scenario of today. So this is our highest possibility. Now, yeah, to finish as contracting diagonal, your wave 5, and then, okay, finish an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then come back to our scenario that we saw today. So, and as you can see here, the volume, the highest volume is in your wave 3. So definitely this is your wave 3. You got a wave 5 here, finished potentially, and then now you get a very high volume again, but just due to the volatility before the news, guys. So be careful. At 8 p.m. European time, we might see a very volatile market. Trade safe. See you in the next one. Bye bye.